Hey, how are you and welcome?
Hello, I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Edward.
We're really looking forward to seeing you again, or perhaps meeting you for the first time when you join us for breakfast on Wednesday the 4th of December.
So we're here at the beautiful Hamilton Island, Dent Golf Course over in the back that I played on Friday. Doing a bit of work this week.
But we've also just spent a week holidaying.
We have, but we're looking forward to Wednesday the 4th of December breakfast. We've got a few really exciting things planned in terms of networking and finishing off the year with our members and you as guests.
Now this is usually a very, very fun event. Our members are super excited to celebrate the year that they've had, and we're coming away from home from holidays especially just to be there for you guys and with you guys, so it's going to be fun.
So some of the logistics is the doors open at 6:30, we kick off at 7 o'clock on the dot, we finish at 9 o'clock. Bring your business cards. We'll have some members at the front door to meet you and introduce you to a heap of people and get you meeting some pretty cool business owners. And at about the halfway mark, Beck and I will grab you aside and we'll have a chat to you, just get to know you guys a bit better, answer any of your questions. Apart from that, it's a full steam ahead for networking. A lot of people think it's wind down time in December. We like to see it as a real good way to finish the year strong and set yourself up for an epic 2020.
Absolutely. So our members and our members of our growth club will both be there and looking forward to meeting you as well. So I'm Rebecca.
I'm Edward.
See ya.
And come and say good day on the morning and we'll see you then.